We also saw earlier that taking the scale idea to the extreme, objects far enough away become points, or they vanish. That's where the term vanishing point came from. The brain knows that the image has depth because of this element of art and design. You can use this in images to create deep space by not shooting perpendicular. As we said earlier, shooting perpendicular creates flat space, like the front of this church. Placing the camera off to the side of a subject will show the subject tapering towards a vanishing point. This automatically gives you perspective and thus depth into your image. To create deep space, shoot objects at an angle, not perpendicular. There will almost always be lines or planes within your frame that point to a vanishing point. We call these lines of force or leading lines. Use these lines and position your subject so the lines point at the subject or away from the subject to emphasize them. At the same time as creating depth, it will provide greater emphasis on your subject. These lines do, however, need to be leading somewhere, and you want to make sure that somewhere is your subject. Compare this flat space photo with the one line of the bridge railing to this deep space photo using the same line of the rail to emphasize the same couple. You can choose for yourself which one is more appealing.